In this video, I will discuss the topic authentication and authorization. So, authentication is the mechanism whereby systems may securely identify their users. Means authentication systems provide an answer to the following questions. First is who is the user, and second is the user really who he or she represents himself to be? So, an authentication system may be as simple as a plain text password, but this is insecure method. So in order to verify the identity of a user, the authenticating system typically challenges the user to provide his unique information, his password, fingerprint, etc. If the authenticating system can verify that the shared secret was presented correctly, the user is considered authenticated. Authorization, by contrast, is the mechanism by which a system determines what level of access a particular authenticated user should have to secure resources controlled by the system. For example, a database management system might be designed so as to provide certain specified individuals with the ability to retrieve information from a database, but not the ability to change data stored in the database, while giving other individuals the ability to change the data. So, authorization systems provide answers to the following questions. First, is user X authorized to access resource R? Second is user X authorized to perform operation P? And third is user X authorized to perform operation P on resource R? So we can say that authentication and authorization are somewhat tightly coupled mechanisms. Authorization systems depend on secure authentication systems to ensure that users are who they claim to be and thus prevent unauthorized users from gaining access to secured resources. We can represent this with the help of a diagram. Here, authentication services verifies user ID entity, provide reusable credentials, means is this user X, whereas authorization service stores information about user access levels, means what can user X do. So in this diagram, a user working at a client system interacts with the authentication system to prove his identity and then carries on a conversation with the server system. The server system in turn interacts with an authorization system to determine what rights and privileges the client's user should be granted. So, in simple terms, we can say that authentication means to prove it, whereas authorization means here is what you can do. So I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.